Each April, we celebrate School Library Month, a time to shine a spotlight on one of the most vibrant, versatile spaces in our schools, the library. Here at Lake Hamilton, our libraries are more than just books. They're media centers where students and teachers come together to explore, collaborate, and create. From performances and projects to book clubs and enrichment classes, our libraries are filled with learning that goes far beyond the page. Students problem solve, innovate, and build new skills, all within a space designed to inspire curiosity. Whether it's a quiet corner to get lost in a good book or a bustling hub of activity and teamwork, the Lake Hamilton Libraries are where every student can find a place to grow. This School Library Month, we celebrate the heart of our schools, where reading, creativity, and connection come together. Happy School Library Month from Lake Hamilton.